If you love colourful cooking, then you're going to love this rainbow layered cake by Nyam Nyam. We're going to show you in some easy steps how to bake one. Absolutely perfect for birthday parties. All you need is butter, sugar, eggs, food colouring and some self-raising flour. So let's get started. Start by mixing 750 grams of butter with an equal amount of caster sugar. Use an electric whisk for ease. Crack in 9 eggs. Whisk them in. You can do this one by one. And add 750 grams of self-raising flour. Then mix it all together till it's perfectly combined. In 6 separate containers, add 6 different food dyes and a spoonful of milk to each one. Mix them up and then add them to your cake dough. One by one in a floured cake tin, you can bake them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 170 degrees. Take them out one by one, slice off the top and around the edge to tidy it up, and you have a very nice neat circle of varying colours. Next, you can stick them on one by one with buttercream icing in between each colourful layer. Now these layers are rather thin, so we want to take special care when handling them. Then cover the entire cake in buttercream icing. Smooth it all out. There. Next we can add on our rainbow icing. This can get very messy, but it's super fun and super colourful. Perfect. Look at that.